Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Mortgage Market Update for the week of March 18th, 2013. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage here to give you an update. Well, last week was good news for mortgage rates. Mortgage rates were able to end the week slightly better than they started. If you look at the bond chart on the screen, you can see we had that big sell-off last week, which moved home loan rates much higher. And then Monday, we even sold off a little bit more. But we were able to bounce off of that level of support you can see on the screen right there, and mortgage bonds did move higher on Tuesday, which helped home loan rates improve. Wednesday, tried to sell off but then recovered, which was good news, and then Thursday and Friday we moved slightly higher. So we did end the week with mortgage rates a little bit lower than we started, which was definitely good news. So we are going to recommend floating your Delaware mortgage rate to start the week, hoping that mortgage bonds can continue on this upward move, bouncing off support, helping home loan rates improve this week. Now, what was in the economic news? Well, the big news was February retail sales came out for 2013, and it came out at 1.1%, and that was better than expected, and that was 0.2% above where it was in January 2013. So this was the biggest gain, 1 month gain in over 5 months. So that's good news for retail sales. We also saw the weekly jobless claims come out on Thursday. Came out much better than expected again 2 weeks in a row, and it dropped to 332,000. We were expecting 350,000 initial claims. So that is good news for the job market, showing unemployment filings are going down. But we got to make sure that trend is not because people have stopped looking for work and filing claims, and that it's actually people going back to work. So we got to see how that plays out. We also saw a read on inflation. Remember, inflation is the enemy of mortgage bonds. If inflation kicks in, we will see interest rates move up sharply. So the producer price index came out last week, and it came in right at expectations, showing inflation very tame. Consumer price index did come out slightly worse than expected, 0.7%. We're expecting 0.5%, but that's still definitely in the range that the Federal Reserve is looking for, so they're not threatened by that consumer price index inflation read. And that means they're going to keep the federal bond buying program going that is helping keep home loan rates low. In the local news, USDA, don't forget, they are planning on changing the eligible areas starting March 27th, 2013. That is coming up fast. Right now they use the 2000 census for eligible areas. They're switching to the 2010 census, March 27th, and that's supposed to knock out Middletown, Smyrna, and Elkton. So watch out for that. We will update the maps for you on the blog as soon as they're available by USDA, so you can see exactly where the boundaries change. In the local news, also, the next free first-time homebuyer seminar is actually tomorrow, Tuesday, March 19th, and that is in Dover at the Dover Sheraton, and that's from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. We still got seats available for you want to register for that. And then we also have the next one in Newark, and that is Saturday, April 20th, and that is from 10 a.m. to noon at the Christiana Hilton Hotel in Newark, Delaware. Now, you can register for either one of those events by giving us a call in the office at 302-703-0727, or you can register online, www.delawarehomebuyerSeminar.com. Now, if you'd like to get a free, fast pre-approval for a purchase or a refinance, give us a call in the office, 302-703-0727, or you can apply online, www.prmidelaware.com. Look forward to seeing you next week.